Before you pay full price for an edX course, don't. edX has financial assistance that can drop the cost by as much as 80%, taking many verified courses from hundreds of dollars almost down to nothing. And yes, you can apply right now. It's simple, it's free, and it only takes a few minutes. The problem is the option isn't easy to find. Most learners don't even realize it exists, and that's usually where people get stuck. That's exactly why I made this video, to show you where the financial assistant option is, how it differs from the audit track, and to give you a clear step-by-step walkthrough of the entire application. I've gone through this process a handful of times, and it's actually really straightforward. So if you've been avoiding an edX course because of the price, or you just didn't know financial assistance was even available, this video will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money too. Alright, let's get into it. Before we jump into the application, let's take a minute to talk about what edX financial assistance actually is, and just as importantly, what it isn't. A lot of people imagine it's some long, complicated interview-style process where you need to upload bank statements or write essays. It's nothing like that. edX provides financial assistance that lets learners get up to 80% off the cost of a verified certificate. So if a course normally costs $150 or $200, you could end up paying nearly as little as $10 or $20. It's one of the most generous discounts you'll find on any major learning platform. And just to be clear, this isn't a free trial. You're not getting limited access, and there's nothing you need to cancel later. Once your application is approved, you get full access to the course, including all the video content, the graded assignments, quizzes, and the final certificate when you finish. So you're getting the exact same experience as any paid learner, just at a much lower cost. Financial assistance is mainly available on individual courses and many professional certificates. That includes courses that have been partnered by Harvard, MIT, Microsoft, Google, IBM, and more. And because edX partners with so many big institutions, you'll find high quality content across a huge range of subjects, from computer science to data, business, humanities, and health. It usually doesn't apply to executive education programs or online degrees. These are priced differently, so the financial assistance doesn't cover them. One thing to keep in mind, you can only be approved for financial assistance 5 times per year, so it's worth planning ahead if you've got your eyes on a few different certificates. With all that in mind, stick with me as we'll be jumping into how to apply shortly. Before we dive into the application steps, it's worth clearing up the difference between auditing a course and using financial assistance, because they work together, but they're definitely not the same thing. When you audit a course, you're essentially joining for free. You get access to the video lessons and the readings, so you can explore the material and see whether the course is right for you. It's a great way to test things out without spending anything up front. The limitation is that in audit mode, you can't submit assignments, you can't take graded quizzes, and you won't receive the certificate at the end. This is where financial assistance comes in. To apply for it, you actually need to be in the audit mode first. Once you're approved, you can apply the discount codes. You'll access upgrades from audit to verified. That instantly unlocks everything: the assignments, deadlines, project work, and the final certificate. Something a lot of people don't realise is that the audit option isn't always open forever. Some courses only let you audit for a limited time, so it's smart to enrol early if you know you'll be applying for the assistance later on. And the best part is that any progress you make while auditing carries over when you upgrade. You won't lose a thing. Alright, with all that cleared up next is how to apply for financial assistance. Let's get into the practical side. I'm going to walk you through the whole process, and honestly, it's way easier than most people expect. Step 1. Start by choosing your course. I'm on a bit of an AI hype at the moment, so I've picked the Professional Certificate Computer Science for Artificial Intelligence by Harvard. Step 2. Don't click Earn a Certificate, instead open up the Courses tab. In this case, the certificate is made up of 2 courses. While you're here, keep in mind that edX only approves financial assistance up to 5 times a year, so it's best to pick certificates that fit within those 5 course applications. Step 3. I've already applied for the first one, so let's walk through the second one. Click View Course. Step 4. Choose Audit Course, hit Continue, and then look under Course Tools. You'll see a link for financial assistance. Go ahead and click that. Step 5. This opens the financial assistance application. As you scroll down, you'll find the button that says Apply for Financial Assistance. Click on that. This opens up the financial assistance application. Step 6. Now that you're on the application, scroll further down and you'll see your profile info followed by application details. Open the drop-down under Course. This shows every course you've audited. Select the one you'd like the financial assistance with. And just for some context, the Coursera Financial Aid has questions and written responses. This application is much simpler. You basically confirm your details, select your course and submit, that's it. Step 7. Agree to the terms, hit Submit Application and you're all set. edX says you'll hear back within 2 to 5 days. You also get an immediate email confirmation that your application was received so you know it went through. But we're not done just yet. Stick around as up next I'll be sharing what actually happens once you're approved. Before we jump into them, a quick favour. If you're enjoying the video, hit subscribe. It really helps me out and keeps videos like this coming. And if you'd like to know more about the edX platform, then check out the link below. It helps support the channel. Thanks so much. So what actually happens after you've applied for financial assistance? That's up next. First up, there's a short waiting period. Most people get a confirmation email within 2 to 5 days, though the busier times it can take up to 4 weeks. Whichever way the decision goes, accepted or declined, you'll get an email with the result. Next, if your application is approved, you'll receive a coupon code. You can paste it into the checkout page or simply click the link in the email to have it applied automatically. Either way, the discount shows up right away. After that, once the reduced amount is paid, your full course access unlocks instantly. The highest discount edX offers is 80%. So while the 100% days are gone, getting most of the cost covered feels like a huge win. From here, you get the complete learning experience. Videos, readings, assignments, and everything. You're basically treated as a fully paid learner, just without the full price bill. And finally, when you finish the coursework and pass the required assignments, you'll earn the same certificate as anyone who paid full price. There's no difference in quality or recognition. If you've been declined, don't worry, you can try applying again or check out another course. I really believe learning shouldn't be limited by your budget. So if edX has a course or certificate you've been wanting to take, don't let the price stop you. Their financial assistance can make a massive difference, and it only takes a few minutes to apply. And if you're comparing platforms or you want to see what else is out there, Coursera offers financial aid too. You can check it out in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried out edX financial assistance. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio!